Gal Gadot as the Bishop in the new Netflix film Red Notice is a show stealer, a scene stealer, and she has surpassed the kind of performance that she has given in Wonder Woman, as well as her co-stars like Dwayne Johnson have surpassed what they did in Fast and Furious series and the iconic films therein. But right from the first sequence that Gal Gadot enters the scene, you find that you are riveted to her performance, the way in which she steals the show, she steals the thunder on her co-stars and beats both of them. She proves that she is a beauty with brains, and she also showcases that she can outsmart them. She even has the upper hand in the action sequences where she beats both of them and delivers more bang for the buck and pack him in her punches. And then she goes on to the brilliant dance sequences with especially Dwayne, which is a highlight of the film. The sequence where she gets an investigative analyst to speak to her as if she is exposing herself and outpouring her hearts and minds wounds to a psychiatrist is simply brilliant. She is also ahead of the Interpol detectives and cops, and she outsmarts not just the heroes but also the villains who are in plenty in this particular film. Hats off to Gal Gadot for a brilliant performance which she has shown in this new Netflix film. Brilliant climax where she emerges on top, and how she turns the table, and how she showcases the different twists and turns. It is Gal Gadot who has excelled and showcased another brilliant performance in terms of the one-liners, the dialogues that she has. Gal Gadot has excelled herself, and the Bishop is a character which will be quite popular and remain etched in memory for a long, long time. Looking forward to more such impactful performances from Gal Gadot. Hats off to her.